Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best dust extractors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Bosch Dust Extractor. It comes with automatic filter cleaning. The Bosch Vaco 90A dust extractor cleans the filter every 15 seconds to help maintain maximum suction power. HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns or larger. While the included fleece filter bag helps to protect the filter and provides the optimal containment of dry dust and debris. At number 6 we have DEWALT Dust Extractor. The DWH161B 20 volts max brushless universal dust extractor is a lightweight, wearable and high mobility dust extraction solution. It's optimized for a wide range of tools and applications. When used in conjunction with the correct shroud and a rotary hammer, this extractor is part of an OSHA 1926.1153 Table 1 compliant solution. This wearable dust extraction solution allows the user to position the dust extractor for the best possible ergonomic solution. At number 5 we have Fine Dust Extractor. The dust extractor is very effective at dust collection when attached to power woodworking tools. It has auto start outlet with power on delay to prevent current spikes, and tool coupling with suction control for easy control of suction power. This dust extractor has a large range due to its 19 feet power cord. At number 4 we have DEWALT Dust Extractor. The DWVO108 gallon HEPA dust extractor with automatic filter cleaning. That features a 15 amp motor delivering 155 CFM of airflow. The automatic filter clean pulses every 30 seconds for continuous operation. This DEWALT HEPA vacuum is portable, only weighing 21 pounds. At number 3 we have Bosch Dust Extractor. It comes with automatic filter cleaning. The Bosch Vac 140A dust extractor cleans the filter every 15 seconds. It featuring Bosch Pro Plus Guard, an end-to-end dust collection system, to help users move toward OSHA Silica Table 1 dust compliance. At number 2 we have Makita Dust Extractor. The 18 volts LXT brushless 2-gallon HEPA filter portable wet-dry dust extractor. This 3 microns and larger with the efficient HEPA filter. Its compact and cordless design with a shoulder strap that allows easy transport of the vacuum throughout the space for efficient use. At number 1 we have Bosch Dust Extractor. The new Bosch Vaco 90A dust extractor offers a best-in-class combination of airflow and suction power. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best dust extractors for your need.